Hey team, welcome to this week's drawing challenge where we try and draw a bat cat. Yes, I found an image and I really liked the top of it and I thought, well, it's kind of Halloween season, so why not draw something a little bit spooky? Now, it's not super technical, but it is quite challenging. The shading is very, very easy, but I really wanted us to try something that is not typically easy to draw. So grab your pencils and let's get started. This could be one of the most difficult outlines that we've tried because we've got curves at an angle and then we have nothing really symmetrical on the other side. So instead, I want you to think about each point of the wing and where that connects on the right side of the wing as well. So if I pop these lines on, you can just see what we need to look out for. The point on the left is on the same horizontal plane as the point on the right. So have a look at that with the left wing and then just kind of follow the negative space. So you're looking at that space between the wing and the face of the cat. You're working around the cat's ear, and then there's negative space between the left wing and the right wing. And again, just look at these horizontal lines and see if they can help you at all trying to construct that wing on the right. The next step is to move down the body, try and get that curve that's in the chest, and then add the legs and of course the little tiny feet. Once you've done that, it's fairly easy from here. So we want to use our 8B pencil and just color it in, basically. Color in the center of the cat, and then we'll color in a little bit of the bottom of the wing, but we have a bit of detail moving up to the top. So once the outline is done, which is the most stressful part, the rest of it should be fairly easy. So when you're working up the wing, just check where the translucent areas are. And it's a gradient from the edges, so making sure that you have a nice thick bone structure in black, and then you have a nice gradient coming from the corners so that the inside of the wing, or each segment of the wing, is a little bit lighter and looks really delicate, as if you could pierce it with your finger. And of course, the last bit is just to add a few hairy bits on the fur, and you just need a sharper 8B and just get some lines poking out of the edges of the body. And lastly, if you do like supporting small artists and enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to Patreon for just £3 a month and get more access to more content. So I hope that wasn't too stressful, and also it is on topic for this month and what's about to happen. So next week we're going to do something slightly different but really, really fun. So grab some colours next week and I'll see you there. Have a great week, folks.